exactly am I?
I bet them niggas here now, they hardly will listen. I fuck her, got her pinned down, she called her position. Anyway, these bitches fanned out, they stalking for pictures. They say it's money near round, I'm going to get it. I bought the wheel with the metal, church on my coupe, but I still get the red on. When I fuck on that bitch, we get settled. Living out dream, had to make her for settle. Said she don't wanna leave, tell her.
What it do, crew? This your boy Becoming Dino Lee, and we back with another video. Hey, quick question, ladies. Is your man feasting today? Hey, fellas, is this your turn, man? Your pocket's looking low and you trying to make your lady a meal. Come my way, I'm gonna tell y'all the 1-2, you know what I'm saying? Now that we washed our hands and washed all our things we about to cook with, let's go ahead and cut our vegetables up. You know what I'm saying? Chop them finely. Please be careful with the knife. And don't cut yourself, you know? Anyways, let's get into it.
One shot, two shot, few shot, that 3 times. I told myself if I left her that she would be fine. She'd kept it real, get you Chanel when you got free time. I only wanna build you up, I cannot use you. One shot, two shot, few shot, that 3 times. I told myself if I left her that she would be.
Now what you want to do is go ahead and cook your steak to your temperature you like it. It can be rare, medium rare, medium well, medium well done, whatever your business. I'm not here to judge you, I'm just here to help you, guide you to the basics of cooking. Understand me? So me, personally, I like mine's medium rare or medium well. Depends on the day of the week. Hey, then you want to go ahead and grab them shrimps, however you say it, shrimps. Hey, go ahead and pick a couple of them things up in there. Cook it on both sides for about anywhere between 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Anything longer than that, you're gonna have some rubbly, gummy shrimps. And nobody want that. Trust me, I know. You know what I mean?
From Jerusalem, lie to me, cherish me, tell me how I fooled them. Tell them I won't love and then I hit and I be through with them. I'ma set the play where you stay spread and not cool with them.
Now we go ahead and sauteed our vegetables and all that. Let's go ahead and add our meat back into it. You know what I'm saying? Put some water, some honey. You're gonna mix it around, stir it around. Add some more seasoning if you don't like how it tastes or anything like that. Turn your flame or whatever you're cooking on to about simmer or low heat. And you're gonna cover it up for about 10 to 15 minutes so it can thicken up. All the flavors can marinate. It will mix together, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna go ahead and plate this over some rice or some mashed potatoes or something like that. And let's go.
I'd be wrong if I leave. About to put a new job on that page, you got me feeling blue. Tried to get you to see the truth, but we got different views. Know you heard I fuck around, wish you got different news.